like blueberries.
Hello. Saan napunta niyo mga pre? Piling ko parang hirap punuin ito. Parang ang dami. Lily. Lily.
I don't really like blueberries.
We're here at the blueberry farm. Yeah. Eh, papakita ko lang.
I really like blueberries.
Hello. Saan napunta niyo mga pre? Far end. Lily. Lily.
I don't really like blueberries.
Yan natin. Wala mo naman lahat mga new. Something new. Far side, yeah. Basta daw may mga purple.
This thing has purple. This is a forest.
Wala, ano pa yan? Ma-pink.
In daylight.
Yan, pwede ka nang pumitas pag may nakita kang gusto.
No, we end up.
Yung malalaki anuhin natin. Kung ilan lang ang mapuno natin eh.
I see some big ones.
What?
I see some purple big ones.
Ayan, ayan ang malaki. Oo. Ito. Papitas ako. Maliit pa yung iba. Matamis na.
I don't really like blueberries.
Matamis yung maitim. Matamis yung maitim pa. Ang ganito. Medyo maliit pa siya. Piling ko parang hirap punuin ito. Parang ang dami. Sige nak. Pitas ka lang. Sige, hindi natin mapupuno. Yan. Yun o, sa loob.
Very angry at the bees.
Why? You're very blueberry? Huh? You're very blueberry. Merong matamis eh.
Dad, I should put one in yours.
Mainit.
All the buzzing in my ears are following me.
It's following you?
Yes.
Ang init. Experience lang ng blueberry picking. Akala ko wala dito. Kasi nga, parang wala akong nakikitang ano. Ay, may nagsabi, meron nga daw blueberry picking. Pero outside Esteban to. Bienfait.
Where's the bigger ones? Stop!
It's okay. Ha? Sige lang, kumuha ka lang. Malaki ang pupunuin mo. Ay, doon sa ano na lang pa, loob.